Okay, here we go. Negative 2x plus 4, all divided by negative 3, is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so if we look at this, we're going to go through our steps. Step 1 says, if there are parentheses, distribute. Do we see any parentheses?
No.
Nope. Cross that off the list. Step 2. If there are like terms, combine them. Do we see any like terms?
Nope.
Nope. Step 3. If there are variables on both sides. Do we see variables on both sides? Nope. Cruising right along. Step 4. If there is a large fraction. Yup. This one has a large fraction, right? What do we do if there's a large fraction? Do we remember?
Yep.
What do we do, Oscar? That's a no, you don't remember?
No. You multiply.
By what, Edgar? The denominator, right? So if there is this large fraction, we have multiple things on top, we need to get rid of this denominator first. Okay, so this right here, Gabby, do you know what this is right here? Is this add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Divide, okay, and we undo division with multiplication. So we're going to multiply each side by negative 3. I'm just going to make you say divide every time. Todos los días. Every day. When we undo this operation, right, these just cancel each other out. Doesn't have anything to do with the top. It doesn't change anything in the top. We are just left with this negative 2x plus 4. Now, we have to think in our brains, right? Do we have a reason to flip this inequality sign?
Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 It's negative. Or is it subtracting sign? Yes.
So yes, why is it a yes, Isaac? Right? We are multiplying by a negative. So that is a reason to flip this sign. Yes. We're flipping it because what we moved, what I did in red is negative. So there can be negatives anywhere else, but it's what I'm moving that matters. Okay. Rachel, what am I going to do next?
You're going to subtract 4 from
Excellent. So I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. Those are going to cancel. So that leaves us with a negative 2x. Is subtracting 4 a reason to flip the sign?
No way.
No, right? Because it only matters if it's multiplication or division, and this is subtraction. So the sign stays the same.
Nice.
Desiree, what are we going to do next?
Oh my God.
Divide by that negative 2. Okay, so right here we have multiplication. We'll undo that with division. Is this a reason to flip the sign? Yes, because we divided by So we're going to flip the sign again. We'll get x is greater than or equal to 11. How do we feel about that one? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Where are we at? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up? Sideways, just on this problem? Edgar, that's a nothing. You gotta give me a something. Isaac, where are you at? You're here? Okay. Are you alive, Isaac? Okay, thanks. And next one. Oh, what? Oh. A plus 2A minus 6 is less than 6A plus 4.
Nice.
Okay, step one, if there are parentheses, distribute. Do we see any parentheses? Nope. If there are like terms, combine them. Do we have any like terms to combine?
Yes.
Yes? Yep, right over here, these are like terms. So what is 4A plus 2A?
6A.
6A.
Minus 6 is less than 6A plus 4. I got you, bro.
Step 3, if there are variables on both sides. Do we have it? Do we have variables on both sides?
Yeah.
Yes, so we need to get them together. How are we going to do that?
Subtract.
Okay, so if the variables are on the same side, right? Same side, we got them together with the same sign that we saw.
For sure.
Are these variables on the same side?
No.
No, right? We have one on the right and we have one on the left. So we need to use the opposite sign. So we'll move a positive 6A by doing what?
Adding to 6A. Okay.
What, Oscar?
Huh?
What did you say?
Subtracting.
Subtracting?
Yeah.
Subtracting 6A?
Yeah.
Is that really what you said the first time?
You didn't understand me.
Oh, it's just a hearing issue, right?
There we go.
I struggle with that sometimes.
Me too.
Okay, so 6A minus 6A is gone. 6A minus 6A is gone.
Unknown.
Ugh. Where'd my A go? What am I gonna do?
You have to have a variable.
What do you think, Mario? Is this a no solution, right? These numbers aren't the same, so is this a no solution?
Yes. I think it's pretty much because
You feel pretty, that was a pretty confident no. Why do you say no?
I don't really know what I'm saying. I don't think it is.
Okay, so you don't think it is, but you're not sure why.
I know why.
Edgar, what do you say?
I say no because, well, that statement right there is true.
Okay, so remember, it's about the statement. This statement is trickier than our last statement. Is negative 6 less than 4? Is this true? Is negative 6 less than 4?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Are you really okay with that being a yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, negative 6 is less than 4. That is true. So if it's a true statement, what did we say the answer would be? We don't want to switch this, we want to keep it the same. Do you remember what our answer was if we got a true statement?
Many solutions. Infinite. Or no solution.
Yes, okay. Remember, this is my statement of you're not telling me a lie. And some people really use it sort of not perfectly. But how many solutions does this have? How many numbers are bigger than 1?
0. Oh, no.
Right?
Yeah.
1.1, 1.11, 1.111, 1.1111. How long could I do that?
Till you run out of breath.
Forever. Which is apparently right now because
Yeah.
like choking. No.
Code 19.
Okay. This has an infinite number of solutions. But we want to make this be a different type of statement, right? There are an infinite number of solutions, but not only are there so many of them that we can't write them down,
They don't fit.
this is all solutions. We can pick anything. I can't pick anything here, right? 0 isn't a solution. 0.5 isn't a solution. So before, remember how I was saying that, they're like, well, I mean, yes, this has infinite solutions, but all solutions is better. Here is where that really shows. So when it's true, we're saying all solutions. Last line you need to write down. What if we got this as an answer?
Which one?
Is this true?
Yeah, no.
No, this is false. What would we write down if we get a false answer?
No solution.
No solution.
Can we just put it as a fraction?
Wait,
As
so
a fraction. Huh?
I don't know.
no solution.
I'll think something else.
Those are the only ideas I'm writing down for you today. The rest needs to come out of your own head. Okay? But, yes.
Infinite solution is like more than one.
Infinite is there are so many answers we can't write them down, and all inequalities have an infinite number of solutions. How many numbers are there in between 1 and 2? An infinite, right? So inequalities always have an infinite number of solutions, whereas all solutions means you can pick any number you want. Okay? Okay, we're gonna make a deal today. We're gonna make a trade. You guys get to decide the part of the trade that you want. Okay, what's the trade gonna be if we get so many problems correct? All of us have to get it correct for it to count as one being correct. What do we want the trade to be if we reach the number of having enough correct?
2.
What do you want the trade to be? We can do no exit slips. We could do,
No, Alex. Alex. Thingamajiggy.
we can't do no, Alex.
What do you mean?
We could do, if we get it done in time, we could do a free 5 minutes at the end of class. We could do an extra bathroom pass for everyone. What do you want? It's your decision.
Phones.
I can't send you home.
Phones.
Oh no.
Hi.
I didn't make that rule. That's not my rule to decide. That comes from admin.
Who?
What do we want?
This class is pretty nice.
You want the free time? How do you say you want free time at the end of class? We want the free time?
Instead of 5 minutes, instead of 10.
Oh, you want 10 minutes?
On free time.
10 minutes of free time? Now we're talking, if I say 10 minutes, that's better? Okay, but here's the deal. Okay, so what time do we get out? We get out of here at 12:38. We have to, ready for this?
That's if we get it right. Or
Here's the count.
Yeah, what if we don't get it right? Like all of them. Right?
You don't get your 10 minutes.
Okay. I thought there was like a little twist to this.
We all have to have 20 problems right.
Oh my god.
Okay? Some of them will be short, I promise.
That's double the work, man.
Okay, but here's the
Should
deal.
it be 20 minutes in?
Huh?
20 minutes of free time?
No, 10. We already decided on 10. You missed the boat on that wager.
A minute per problem.
So here's the deal. If everybody gets it right except one person, then it doesn't count. So you might want to help each other out as you're going. So you can decide how you want to work. You know the deal, right? Wherever you have space and you can find space to work, you should use it.
Maybe.
So if you want to like work over here, if you want to work up here, we can erase this over here. If you want to board mark an eraser, I don't care. But you have to help each other out if we want to get to those 20 problems. Got it? Get whatever you want to use. Go.
Hey, you come over here. Let's use the window.
Can we listen to music during this?
Yes.
How about it? We gotta go. Still talking? Oh my
I went to the bathroom.
If you feel like passing your folder. You better go quick so you don't miss the first problem. Otherwise, that's a -1. Amani has to get it right too.
Hacer mami eso. Ayer lo vi. Era como.
Where?
En mi cama.
This.
Wait, can
You-
you use notes, right?
Yeah, you can use any notes. You can use any resources in the classroom. You can help each other.
And so you're just gonna.
You can ask IAs for help.
Or are you gonna just like write down?
I'm just gonna put down a problem. Anything is fair game as long as you're learning it.
Alright.
Okay? Oscar, you have to pull the other one.
Yeah, I saw.
You got it figured out?
I've been having migraines. Boys, time to get this problem wrong.
Actually, I'm gonna write it right next to Oscar.
It's alright. Over there.
Huh?
Let's go the rest of you.
Oh, sí. Necesitas una. Ah. No. Go ahead.
Depends how you want it.
Then I'm gonna slap. Break your back.
We're allowed to listen